Today, I want to take the time to congratulate the many hundreds of students from around the world who are now studying with Global Capital Inc. One of the first programs that you were introduced to is titled the Financial Planner's Game Plan. Now, one of the reasons we have designed this program is largely because we have seen that millions of people across the world at the end of the year or at the beginning of the year, you develop what is known as your New Year resolutions. But within the first, second, third, fourth week of developing those New Year resolutions, you tend to give up on them. Now, there's a reasons why you're giving up on them. In the Financial Planner's Game Plan, we examine those reasons and we give you the tools to ensure that moving forward, you set the goals, you commit to the process, you implement your actions, and you can get better results. You're also advised to work with a PFA, a professional financial advisor, a personal financial advisor that can help you navigate this process. In this program, you learn about the importance of financial goal setting. You learn about the importance of financial game planning. You learn about the importance of financial timelining. And you learn about the importance of building your right team. We talk about team dynamics and team management. Along with this, you learned about the importance of implementing the financial goals and implementing the financial game plan. You learn about evaluation and control. You learn about control optimization, and you learn about control systemization. Now, all 8 steps of the financial planner's game plan, it is something that you want to learn, you want to apply, and you want to master when you're looking for better results in business and whether you're looking for better results in your personal financial life. The scope of discussion was designed to impact your business, whether you're micro, small, or medium-sized businesses, and it was designed to impact the private individual who wants to achieve more financially. Many of you will be graduating from this program on the 31st of March and on the 10th of April. My hat's off to you. Kudos, you've done well. Many of you have begun to articulate the concept with a high degree of confidence. Many of you are beginning to apply the concept because a critical part of this program is that you must apply it. The information is not just for the theory, the purpose of theory, but we spoke about the fact that knowledge is power, but the application of knowledge is where you get your superpower. So this program, we commit to the process of ensuring that we are transferring this body of knowledge to you, that you're internalizing the information as we transfer it, you're applying that information, and you're getting results. And the results that you want to get is to clearly identify and to clearly take steps that will help you to increase your disposable income. In this program, we whet your appetite when we talk about the DCM, the debt capital market. We spoke about the ECM, the equity capital market. We spoke about the SCM, the smart capital market. And we spoke about the CCM, the credit capital market. Moving forward, we will only be going deeper into these concepts, and you will learn much more about corporate finance. You will learn about trading markets. You will also learn about investment management. Along with this, you will learn about the regulatory system that influences and governs the financial markets. As we move to bring the curtain down in the next few days on the Financial Planner's Game Plan for the first batch, we will now introduce you to a signature project and encourage each and every one of you to get registered for this program. It's only 5,000 GYD or 25 USD. The information transfer in this program, it's absolutely necessary. In this program, This compulsory program, this signature program, is titled Wealth Habits Bootcamp. And it's all about now putting you in the right mindset to understand what is wealth habits and to really help you to begin to now nurture these habits. In the absence of understanding the habits, learning the habits, applying the habits, and mastering these habits that you will be introduced to, you will be like the camel who is at the well, but you're not drinking the water. You want to be the camel at the well who is truly empowered to drink the water and ensure that you're building from this whole process. In this program, the Wealth Habits Bootcamp, you will learn three important concepts. You will learn about habits and personal brand mastery. We're talking about you as a brand. And we're talking about you and helping you to activate the premium brand within you as against the supplementary and the complementary brand. So you need to have this information. Along with this, we will talk about habits and relationship mastery. You see, if you're not investing to build healthy, productive relationships, you are going to be limiting your potential for growth. In my book, The Billionaire Codes, I did mention that relationships is the mother of all social systems. It relates to you. If you want to be successful in business and in life, it's important to invest the time, talent, and resources to understand the power of relationships and how you can start to invest in building healthy, productive relationships that can pay you the kind of dividends that you want to be paid to live the quality of life that you know you're entitled to. So this program will help you to get on your way. The last concept that you will learn with this program, this compulsory program, this signature program, you will learn about relation habits and money mastery. Now, what is your habits associated with money? I mean, how much time are you committed on an hourly, daily, weekly, monthly basis to understand money and how money works? Many of you treat money as a primary source. It's not. It's a tertiary source. But do you know this? How much do you understand about the financial market, the financial world? And your understanding is enabling you to master this entire process. So we take you into the belly of the kind of relationships that you need to start forming with money. And we show you how to master this entire process. So moving forward, you can now think in abundance and not lack. You can now divorce yourself from limitation and doubts and truly embrace an abundant wealth thinking mindset. You owe yourself this. If you're fed up of lack and limitation, doubts and fear, if you're fed up of being in a toxic environment that always tries to limit your potential to achieve greatness, I want to encourage you to come and join this community at Global Capital Inc. We have designed a number of unique programs, and our key focus is all about empowering you financially. Within our institution, we have a team of certified public accountants. We have a team of economists. We have a team of legal minds. We have a team of persons who are involved in venture capitalists and private equity investment. We have a team of business consultants and so much more. All of these knowledge and experience we have combined all in the interest of providing an impeccable service to you, all in the interest of providing a different service to you that are designed to give you the competitive advantage in business and in life. So I want to encourage you again to come and join us. My name is Gary Thompson. I'm a business development consultant by profession. I'm a humanitarian by nature, and I'm the multiple best-selling author for several books, including Manager's Toolkits and Billionaire Codes. My new book titled 10X Branded and Marketing, the Psychology of Doing Business, will be out very soon. This is a super book. And if you're in business and you want to know from A to Z the steps that you can take to build your brand to have local, regional, and international relevance, this is the book for you. If you're the private individual who simply wants to know how to build your personal brand out and how to make impact with your personal brand, how to make your financial breakthrough as you build your brand out, this is the book for you. We're in a period of COVID-19, so I want to encourage each and every one of you to protect yourself, protect your loved ones, protect those closest to you. Be safe. I want to encourage you to subscribe to this YouTube channel so you will be the first to get all of the information that we're going to be bringing to you on a daily basis. God's will, we are now beginning to get warmer in terms of these financial leadership, financial mastery, financial transformational programs that we are designing to bring for you. Many of those programs have already been designed, and we are rolling them out step by step to ensure that we are making larger than life impact on your life. If you're fed up of working paycheck to paycheck, this is the program for you. If you want to know more about your personal paycheck protection, steps that you can take to build your personal paycheck protection, so in the future, when your boss probably throws you under the bus and they drop the mic on you, you have yourself covered. If you're the kind of manager who wants to know how to become the proactive leader and how to build out your corporate paycheck protection in a manner that it don't have to hurt your bottom line, this is the program for you. If you're the kind of manager who are saying to yourself that there is no cash flow protection program for your business, we call it corporate cash flow protection program. There's nothing out there right now. I want to show you that there is. This is the program for you because the unique models that we have built using the experience of our venture capitalists and private equity investors, those persons who are involved in the financial markets, we are happy to say to you, those programs can be built out. Whether or not they're out there or not, when you understand the financial market and you understand how to leverage these tools to your advantage, particularly using some of the skill sets of the structures and the quant, these things can be built out. So be blessed. Remember at Global Capital Inc., at the moment, we provide services in corporate debt management, corporate wealth management, personal debt management, and personal wealth management. I will briefly talk about these four areas. Many companies across the world, you buy debt, and in most cases, you allow your debt to run the entire life cycle, not knowing that there are strategic approaches that can be used to mitigate your debt life cycle, mitigate your debt cost, allow you to gain the equity in your asset much earlier that will allow you to leverage those equity to start to build additional wealth. We work with you in these areas. Along with this, we address the issue of corporate wealth management. Why have excess liquidity sitting dormant? All right, perhaps earning 0.1% per annum, when in fact you can earn 4, 5, 6, 7, 8% in highly secure financial platforms. We work with clients in terms of educating you on the possibilities and also providing you some of the tools to leverage in these regards. For the private individual who may take out a personal debt in the form of home mortgage, we work with you to mitigate this debt life cycle. In fact, these debt mitigation tools can help you to save millions of dollars over the life cycle of that debt. This applies to both corporate entities and the private individual. Along with this, we work with a private individual to develop things like your personal paycheck protection, to develop things like your emergency savings account, to develop things like your early retirement fund, to develop things like your children's college fund. Many of you wait until a few months before college, your kids want to go to college, and then you start to seriously think about this, and then they feel as though you have failed them, because many of them may never get that college education. We help you become the proactive leader in this regard. The proactive leader thinks ahead, the proactive leader sees beyond problems, and the proactive leader takes informed action to achieve desired results. So these programs, these platforms are all designed just for you. We are the one for you. So I want to encourage you to reach out to us without any hesitation. We have a team, a dynamic team of people that are committed to empowering you financially. Be blessed. Remember to subscribe. See you in the next broadcast.